Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Textile company. In today's video, I'm gonna coming with some of the newly concepts with the kids wear collection. Yeah guys, in kids wear concepts, you're gonna be noticing some of the boys and girls, some of these kind of the mixed concepts you will be getting here. And guys, some of all the concepts and varieties you will be getting at just all are hanging over there guys. You're gonna be seeing some of the newly concepts which are newly arrived here. Yeah guys, these all are the samples only. Yeah guys, this is only the samples, but if you're gonna be if you're gonna be get some of the amazing design, then stocks are getting very full guys. Yeah, and one by one I'm gonna showcasing some of the amazing collections which are newly arrived. So any of the varieties you wanna be like, take the screenshot and send to screen available number. First of all, in these kind of the variety, you're going to be noticing some of these kind of the concepts. See guys, particularly I am talking about some of the concepts which are newly arrived. You're going to be noticing fine concept, right? Fine concept. There will be not having any kind of the damage or defectives in any of our concept, guys. See, which are newly arrived, guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful stonework, you will going to be noticing some of the work. See guys, how beautiful these kind of the concepts. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting. But colors are different, but sizes and the concepts are also different. But the pattern of the kurtis or pattern of the frocks or pattern of the some of the occasional purposes, that will be remain the same. And if you're going to be prefer some of the southern region concept, then you're going to be noticing these kind of the variety guys. See how beautiful these kind of the concepts. See in this also same 6 to 7 different color shades, tones are also you will be getting here. But with this bottom, you will be getting in these kind of the amazing concept guys. See, these are the varieties which are highly preferred in our southern region of India. It either will be the Maharashtrian or either will be the some of the southern region like Karnataka and some of our Tamil Nadu, some of our Kerala. That kind of the region concepts you will be getting here guys. See. And these kind of the beautifully multicolored threading work also you will be getting here. And guys, let me remind you, with the bottom wear also you will be getting with the contrasting tone, and the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. There will be not having any kind of the damages and defects. And the netted fabric on you will be getting amazing concept guys. See how beautiful these kind of the design. See how beautiful with the heavy sequence work, with the beautiful color tone multicolor threading work you will be getting here guys. See, sizes are also very well described guys. I know the sizes are also very well described. And guys, some of the western concepts in particular variety, see guys, it will be the concepts which are bumper selling in our case at Textile company guys. Yeah, which is our bumper selling in the concepts with the beautiful satin kind of fabric you will be getting here on those beautiful flower digital print concepts you will be getting here. And guys, now it's the time for the boys. Yeah guys, for the boys concepts you will be getting in these kind of the variety guys. See how beautiful these kind of the concepts you will be getting. And with the bottom way you will be getting in these kind of the concepts also. See guys, with the beautiful print concepts, checks pattern you will be getting here. See guys, in these kind of the concepts you will be getting just at the factory rate. Yeah guys, you can add the margin at like the 35 to 50%, 60%. That kind of the margin you can add in any of our product guys. Yeah, very easily. See, in these kind of the sizes you will be getting here. And the same color tone contrasting design work you will be getting here. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. The ranges you will be getting like 400, 500, under concepts, under 400, 500, 700, 600, that kind of the ranges concepts you will be getting here. But some of the box pattern concepts like in these kind of the variety are also you will be getting here guys. See, the region concepts you will be getting like, see, in the t-shirts, in the premium shirts, you will be getting these kind of the designs also. See. So, what are you waiting for? Just call the screen available number for the further details and inquiry. Till there, see you in the next video and give your precious reviews, opinions or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।